Today on C# and Sensors, we're going to revisit getting ambient room temperature. In the past, I did a video using the AHT10, which is this little guy here. In order to use it, however, we needed to use a breadboard and some wires. Sometimes a breadboard and wires are a little bit of a pain. So today we're going to look at this. It has a chip on it that will get us room temperature, but what's important here are these pins. These are set up in a standard configuration for MikroBus. And the Yoshi Pi nicely has a MikroBus connector. So instead of using a breadboard and wires, all we have to do is plug it in just like that, and we're done, completely wired. Let's go take a look at how we use this in code. So the first thing we're going to do is create an IoT application. We're going to call this one the Thermo13 sample because the sensor is a Thermo13 Click board. Now on our application, we're just going to create the sensor. When we create this, it wants an I2C bus, so we're just going to pass it in from our hardware, and that has a MikroBus connector, which has an I2C bus on it. Now we're going to hook up an event handler and tell the sensor to start updating. In the event handler, we're just going to update the display label. Today we'll use Celsius instead of Fahrenheit. And there's nothing in this run method that we're going to need. So there's our entire application. Let's build this. Now we'll power up the device. Now we'll deploy the application to the device. I'll shell into the device. And let's run the app. Back here on the benchtop, you can see we have our temperature. If I put my thumb on the sensor to raise the temp, you can see it's rising. And then when I take my thumb back off, the temperature comes back down. That's how easy it is to get the ambient room temperature with C#. This time, didn't even use any wires. Thanks for watching.